You were born Cabogera. But somewhere along the way, you were told to tone it down. Be smaller, be less. This podcast is about remembering through stories of courage, pivots, and reinvention. Welcome to Cabogera Stories.
So, nung nagsisimula kayo, so you're two entirely different people, di ba? May mga moments ba na parang you had to adjust?
Mamanage hindi, away na agad yan. Hindi pwede yan.
No, so single pa lang kami. Nag-away na talaga kami. So the biggest, craziest fights, away na tayo. Because I married the man that I love. Kumbaga, he's really my answered prayer eh.
Yeah.
Siya talaga yung binigay ni Lord. So,
Feel ko, matipuno naman ako.
Magka-pets! Kabisado ko na siya. So alam ko ngayon na parang, magagalit na. So, wag mo na ipilit.
Pero mas maganda yung mag-away na kayo. Hindi pa kayo kasal, mag-away na kayo.
I agree.
Diba? Para wala nang arte-arte, mag-away na kayo.
Of Cabogera Stories, we sit down with Jiggy and Marnie Manicad to talk about growing together without losing yourself as individuals. Welcome!
Tagal natin hindi nagkita ulit. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
To Cabogera Stories.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
So the first question is, we celebrate the Cabogeras in us. But we're very thrilled in knowing before the Marnie and Jiggy Manicad, who were you as individuals?
Okay.
Before you guys
Before
met.
the couplehood.
Well, basically, ako as reporter sa GMA and ako yung type na yung work para sa akin, hindi siya work. So, let's say parang uwi ako tapos 1 hour lang yung pahinga tapos kukuha lang gamit tapos mag-work ulit. Ganun yung type na buhay na meron ako and hindi ko naramdaman yung pagod because number one, na-enjoy ko yung work. Actually, hindi ko nga tinitingnan yung sweldo ko before. Pero, hindi naman. maliit lang yung sweldo. Pero, more on yung focus na parang, paano ko kaya pagagandahin yung work ko? O kaya yung output, more on, not to please yung mga boss, but yung craft na paano ko kaya mapapagbuti parate. So, hindi siya tinratong work. Yun ako as a person, as an employee.
Who were you before the two of you?
Okay. Before the two of us, so I was part of this theater group in UP Diliman, which is a Mascom. Orgmate!
Yes!
Diba? So I was part of that and I did a lot of siguro I'm the friendly type of person in college and even in high school. So I was part of the student council. So that was me. When I met Jiggy, fresh grad, sa news desk.
Yes! Panood ko yung kwento nyo. Grabe!
Oo.
So, workplace romance pala ito.
Hindi masyado.
Oo. So, when I met him, so I was a fresh grad. Ang unang trabaho ko sa GMA, I was monitoring the Reuters and the BBC, Reuters and BBC feed. Kasi may Iraq war. And then I was also monitoring sila Jiggy because they were there with Mang Mike Enriquez and then Howie Severino and then Jiggy. So, syempre napapanood ko sila, di ba? Ganyan. Yung raw. Parang yung live feeds nila. So, that was my first job. So, nung unang beses ko nakita si Jiggy, tapos na yung war eh. After nung war, inabsorb ako ng news desk.
Yeah.
And then I saw him pasok ng newsroom. Parang feeling ko may mga abo-abo pa.
Galing pa Iraq.
Imported.
Important. Ay, sabi ko, nag-slow-mo, ganyan. Oo, may gano'n. So parang, tsaka feeling ko, because he was also my first friend in GMA. So I felt that time that napakabait na tao. Ayun. Yung pala may masamang balak.
Hindi naman. Wala pang alak.
Wala pa alak.
So, nung nagsisimula kayo, so you're two entirely different people, di ba? Tapos, I'm sure, magkaiba yung ugali, magkaiba yung upbringing. May mga moments ba na parang you had to adjust? Especially you, for example, kasi you were younger, mas bago ka sa industry, tapos nag-adjust ka ba sa schedule niya kasi nga, yun, lagi siyang lumalabas or whatever?
Yeah. Early on, married na kami, no? So we got married 2008. 5 years after 3 years dating, 2 years engaged. We got married 2008. So at that time, Jiggy was still a reporter sa GMA. All the big coverages, I should say, no, nandun siya. And lahat, Haiti, lahat na ata. Pluto na lang ata, hindi pinupunta ko doon.
Lahat. Sulok, pinupuntahan.
Lahat na. War, sunog, vulkan, earthquake, lahat nandun siya. Galing pa lang. Galing pa lang siya dito, nandun na siya. Parang may yung parang, he was, I guess, very aggressive and, ano ba tawag mo doon?
Siguro dedicated dun sa work niya.
Yes.
Because yun yung demand ng work eh.
Correct.
Parang pag hindi mo ginawa yun, parang ako na-absorb ko talaga na ito yung demand ng news eh.
Yeah.
So kung nasan talaga yung news, yun yung work ko, yan ang gagawin ko.
Correct.
Yeah.
Magtanong muna kayo.
Ayan.
So, when I met, kasi syempre I met Marnie in college,
Yes,
pero
yes.
ano lang, syempre magkaiba tayo ng words. But when I met you guys, you're already you. Like Marnie was Marnie and Jiggy was Jiggy. My question is, did you lose who you were in the marriage? Or was that even more heightened?
Yeah, no. Losing yourself is a no-no for us. Yes, but I feel that I was supported no, in many ways. And Jiggy would always, and I tell him this, he'd always lift me. Up.
Literal, no? Literal.
Literal
Yung
talaga.
ano yun.
Palis!
Sinusunod nila ka ng stories nyo eh.
Yeah. It was it is a team.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, we're a team and I would always feel lifted. Kumbaga, of course, Jiggy is the more, hindi ako popular, but he is the popular one. No, but he would want me to, kung kaya ko nga siyang lagpasan, gusto niya yun.
I know.
Sa akin, conscious effort talaga na wala akong mabago sa kanya or walang ma-affect dun sa dynamics niya nung single pa siya because parang ano yun eh, parang dapat ma-preserve ko, dapat out of respect na din. And ito yung dahilan kung bakit I had to slow down dun sa demands ng news, di ba?
Okay.
Kasi kailangan nandun ako sa lahat ng lugar eh.
Oo nga eh.
All at the same time.
Yes.
Which is nagagawa ko yan.
Yeah.
Galing ako Mindoro, lilipad akong
Teleport.
Dubai.
Yeah,
Ganun.
parang nagte-teleport.
Teleport. Pag nag-live ako today, iba yung location ko tomorrow. Ganun siya. So I had to slow down because yung pace na yun, hindi yung tama. For if you are to like yun nga i-take care mo siya o kaya bubuo ka ng family, hindi ito yung tamang perspective para dyan. Pero kung let's say makakagawa ko ng show, merong fixed na time, mas maganda yun.
Yeah.
Pero may ano nga doon, ang kapalit nun is may i-give up ka na isang side nun. Which is sa akin, okay lang because okay naman ako eh. Parang as a person, parati ko sinasabi sa kanya, okay naman ako na
Yeah. I think what I'm noticing here is that when you got together, and this is how I appreciate you more, it's because when you met Jiggy, you were fresh grad. Buo ka na nun? Buo ka na as how you are, or you just grow and evolve as the Kabugera Marnie? Kasi when I say buo ka na, ibig sabihin, alam mo na ba na bongga ka?
Yes, alam kong bongga ako.
Yeah.
Alam kong bongga ako because, number one, I pray a lot.
Yeah,
I pray a
I
lot.
know that, yeah.
Pero I think at this moment in time, the Lord has brought us here for a reason.
Yeah.
So I know na ito there are different seasons in our life,
Yes.
but I think this is really one of those seasons na talagang I feel the Lord I feel that the Lord is very much present
Yeah.
in the relationship, sa trabaho,
Yeah.
in our everydays, kumbaga.
Yeah.
So, yes, bongga ko, but bongga ko because the Lord
Ang
is
galing.
with me.
Oo,
Yeah.
Ang galing. You had that in you from the
Yes,
and then
yes.
mas nag-deepen lang. Galing.
But because I married the man that I love
Yeah.
and the man that God set, kumbaga, he's really my answered prayer.
Yeah.
Siya talaga yung binigay ni Lord. So,
Ano, feeling ko, matipuno naman ako.
Kaboots!
Nagka-text!
Hindi, totoo yun.
Itinitas natin yung head.
Huwag mong tapakan mo. Oo. So yun nga, parang in our everyday, syempre, yung trabaho namin, we're in production, media, so we have to come up with concepts that will go beyond the usual, no? And messages of, kumbaga yung ginagawa namin, yung work namin would have a sense of nationalism and messages of hope.
Yeah, I
So,
love that.
hindi-
Anchored in hope. I
Oo,
love that.
hindi siya pwedeng, ay, okay na.
Yeah.
Parang content, di ba,
Gawa lang tayo. Oo, gawa lang.
Makagawa lang.
Oo.
Because you work in similar spaces, in almost similar circle, journalism, production, may mga moments ba na parang magkaiba kayo ng opinion? O kaya sometimes you feel like, uy, you're stepping on my, parang my space na, o dapat dyan ka lang, dito ako. May mga ganun ba kayo? And how do you manage or deal or, manage those conversations na hindi kayo pareho ng views?
Hindi na manage, away na agad yun. Huwag na natin paganda yun na manage. Away agad. Oo. Hindi pwede yan. Straight to the point. Pwede yan. Pero hindi. Ganito. May two terms sa ginagamit. Isang micro, isang macro. Okay. Sa micro, siya yun. Yung parang detalye talaga. Kasi detail-oriented din siya, gaya nyo eh. So parang talaga makikita niya yung mga hindi ko makikita niya.
Yeah.
So, yung kaya niyang gawin, hindi ko talaga kayang gawin niya. Huwag mo ipakausap dyan. Kasi madadagdag ang kaaway ko. So, ganun siya. Parang, yung macro naman, let's say, pagbubuo ng, paano ko ba sasabihin? Let's say, may konting slight setback. So, tatry kong gawa ng paraan yon or solusyonan. Pero, most of the time, dun sa level niya, yung micro, wala, tapos na yon. Parang, klaro na, tatakbo na lang yung trend. Tatakbo na lang. Pero kung halimbawa, matanggal yung gulong, ako
Balik
papasok
sa'yo.
doon. Babalik sa Parang ganun yung arrangement namin. Pero arrangement na, mamanage hindi, away na agad yan. Hindi pwede yan.
Actually, when we were still, when we weren't married yet, no, so single pa lang kami, nag-away na talaga kami. So the biggest, craziest fights, away na tayo. So, kabisado ko na siya. So, alam ko ngayon na parang, magagalit na. So, wag mo na ipili.
Preno
Hindi, pero mas maganda yung mag-away na kayo. Hindi pa kayo kasal, mag-away na kayo.
I agree.
Diba? Para wala nang arte-arte,
Oo.
away na kayo. Break kayo.
Tama yun.
Pero
Kasi,
kung hindi, maganda yan.
and
The process.
yung demarcation namin ng work, clear rin eh.
Ayan, gusto ko malaman.
So Jiggy, we're having breakfast. Sabi niya, of course we have TV shows no that we air on a certain network. So we've been doing it for years.
Yeah.
And parang sabi ni Jiggy, over breakfast, sabi niya, alam mo, you should go back to doing passion projects. Because the last passion project
Yun yung macro.
I did was a film and a documentary ilang years ago na, matagal na. So sabi niya, hindi lang kasi puro negosyo yan eh.
Yeah.
And so sabi niya, ano kaya magandang gawin? Sabi niya, grabe itong mga flood control na to, no?
Yeah.
Puro negative.
Sobrang
Diba?
negative
Puro
ng
negative.
Pilipinas,
Bakit
eh.
puro negative? Gawa tayo inspiring stories. So, sabi niya, what if gawa tayo ng docu about, Filipinos.
Celebrating Filipinos.
Yeah.
Celebrating Filipinos.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, ano magandang nun? I love Filipino.
Working title lang yun.
Working title.
Yay.
So there, we came up with I Love Filipino, pitched it, and then it was streamed on Netflix Independence Day,
Yeah.
season 1.
Yeah.
Di ba? So,
Galing.
dun nagsisimula yung konsepto. But when we were doing the project, obviously, yung script would come from Jiggy.
Okay.
Okay, of
May
course.
away yun, huwag mo na itago.
May away yun!
May away yun.
May away yun. So, kung sino yung lalamanin ng documentary, yun, walang away yun.
Okay.
Yung away, darating na dun sa, nasa ng script.
Alam mo naman, di ba, yung process. Pero sa akin naman, halimbawa, kasi nga, detail-oriented siya. Kung sinabi mong, itong date na to, dapat nandiyan script. Feeling niya, 2 weeks before, wala pa. Relax ka, wala pa yung date mo eh. Darating yan. Darating yan on time.
So, when I get the script, of course, bubuo tayo ng team, no, that will work on it. This is your docu-team.
Galing ng team.
There's also a reenactment team.
Yeah.
Music is yung composer is from LA. So iba-iba yung color grader. Kumbaga it's a whole village.
Yes.
'Di ba? So that village the process is interview muna and then we will do the reenactments and then re-refine ni Jiggy yung script and then we go into the different post stages. But it's clear, concept and script galing sa kanya.
Okay.
Yeah.
Manning the ship and creating the team and doing all the creative work, ako yun.
Yes.
Okay.
So wala kaming friction doon.
Yes.
Of course, once I have an offline, I would let him watch it.
Yeah.
He doesn't approve. Parang he lets me be.
Yeah.
Kumbaga because creative na yan for
Correct.
him.
Yes.
yes.
Visual na
Oh,
yun.
but me, ako naman, parang syempre yung script I am also, ano bang tawag mo doon, I respect, kumbaga, what is in the script, yung hindi mo kakatayin yung lahat. But artistically, how will we best interpret it? Syempre, we will collab also with the team.
Yeah.
What do you think? Okay ba? Maganda ba?
Yeah.
Parang sabihin nila, we need more of this, more of that. So, yun. Parang,
I like
Yeah.
that you mentioned the word he lets you be.
yes.
And in the same way that you let your team be. And
Yes.
I experienced that today.
Yes.
Right? Na parang, di ba? Even
Yes.
the cameraman will just they have their own voice.
Yes, of course.
Oo. And I think that's very, that is the language that is
Yes.
in the relationship.
Yes.
That is respecting and
Correct.
honoring who you are and what you
Yes.
can offer
Yes.
to the plate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we are open, yun na, to collaboration and to
Suggestions, lalo na.
most yung suggestions and it being a documentary, 'di ba? Syempre the raw, kumbaga more raw the product, the story is, kumbaga yung sinushoot. Mas maganda
True.
for us. But at the same time, kasi nga it's artistically shot and then made, importante na artistic din yung mga people behind, the team behind the scenes.
Yeah.
And yeah, everybody here,
They're
artistic
divided.
except for one.
Joke lang.
So, marami kayong strengths. Iba yung strength mo, and you acknowledge and honor each of those. Ano yung favorite mo na strength ni Marnie? And Marnie, ano yung favorite na strength mo ni Jiggy?
Ako muna.
Ako muna.
Ako muna!
Hindi, ako muna. Kasi si Marnie, ano siya eh.
Kinikilig naman ako!
Sinabi ko sa kanya, siya yung realization and embodiment ng Proverbs 31.
Ganda
Pag
naman.
binasa niyo yun, nandun siya, nagulat nga ako na parang nandun siya lahat yung qualities na meron siya, nandun siya lahat. Simply saying na parang siya yung woman na parang
The capable wife.
capable wife, siya yung capable wife, pine-prepare niya lahat, prepare siya ng damit for the kids, nagpe-prepare siya ng food, parang gano'n. Isabihin, parang nandun siya lahat. Ito lahat talaga basically yung ginagawa niya. But, yun yung sinasabi ko sa kanya. Tapos, isang gift namin sa kanya, kaming 3 kids and ako, so sinulat namin yung per line, kanya-kanyang contribution, mga tapos free name namin.
Yeah.
Para nare-remind siya na, ito ka ha. Every time mag-aaway tayo, ito ka. Because ito talaga yung capable wife, talagang stricto siya.
True.
Talagang inihanda na niya lahat for us. So, yun yung sinasabi ko parati sa kanya. Sorry, hindi ko kabisado, pero in context, siya basically yung prepare niya lahat, ginawa niya lahat to make sure na yung family niya may damit, may pagkain, may lahat.
Yes.
So, ganon. Yun yung description ko sa kanya. And yun lang, basically. Papasko ko. Ayun, papasko ko. I-advance mo na. Advance mo na.
Check it!
Advance mo na. Iba naman yung electric car dyan. EV. EV.
Okay. So, ano ba one word lang to describe Jiggy?
Up to you know, favorite strength.
Ako I am very vocal about Jiggy's gentle strength. It's the quiet strength, pero that comes from his deep relationship with God. He wakes up at 4:30 in the morning to read the Bible, to pray for all of us. Kumbaga the family, even kaaway, pinagpipray niyan. So Jiggy has a gentle strength and so much wisdom. Pag nagsalita siya, syempre minsan you take it na parang, ano naman to, yung
Parang feeling niya nile-lecturean siya.
Nangongontra. Pero when you listen, when you listen intently dun sa sinasabi, it's really for the good. So, yun, I've learned that throughout the years. And yun nga, kaya nga sinasabi ko that Jiggy is God's blessing. Kasi the strength that I have, you know, namumultiply because of his strength. Naiyak ako and it's so true. Yeah. You're a good man. You're really...
And you know what? I experienced this. Naluha ako when Jiggy described who you are to him as your strength. Because I felt that. Yeah, I felt that, Mars. Ang tagal natin hindi nagkita. So nung... I-mention na natin sa di ba? I was part of MMPI.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
when MMPI started, small team,
Small
very,
team.
very hands-on, nagbubuhat, ganyan. Kami meeting, 4 lang kami, whatever. And I felt that, the care. So, the care is core. It translated to love. And that's how Marnie is. And she doesn't slow down. She doesn't, parang she doesn't make herself small to adjust to others. No, big siya. Adjust kayo, big na ako, tapos big love ako, tapos magpa-follow up ako sa'yo, ganyan. Tapos sabi niya, Skeeter, pinagpipray kita kasi yung pinagdadaanan mo. And she's there. She's there, the whole essence of caring and loving is very strong.
I love that
Thank you.
you're a kabogera power couple. Kasi you really complement each other. Alam na alam nyo kung ano yung mga parang okay lang mag-away kasi alam naman natin yung strengths and weaknesses ng isa't isa, maaayos natin yan. Mas maigi na ilabas na natin ngayon kaysa yung magdidibdibin natin, matutulog tayong masama yung loob natin, tapos kinabukasan mag-aaway na naman tayo, ganyan. So, I really love this, this dynamics. But So, okay kayo as a couple. How do you now, even together, grow still as individuals? Parang do you have me time? Meron ba kayong sarili nyong hobbies na hindi kasama yung isa? Do you do things like that? How do you protect your own individuality naman?
Parang wala. Parang
Wala ka me time.
parang walang ganun. Pero,
Yung breakfast, I love that you get to, is that a long breakfast? Like how do
Yeah.
you?
If we're home, kasi we're usually out on shoots. So if we're home, we just sit there and eat.
Yeah.
I think we like
tatlong oras yun.
spending
Lunch
time.
di ba Oo.
Parang yung me time is spending time. Wala tayong me time, parang hindi uso sa amin. Or probably
Yung
don't-
isa-isa, individual, wala. More on parang pag may time na libre, so yun na, kwentuhan. Para pag nag-breakfast ka ng alas 6, 11 na,
Ay, 11 na.
parang hello, 11 na.
Tatayo na tayo kasi 11 na.
Kasi lunch na. Tapos, most of the time kasi ang ano namin, sama namin yung mga bata. But it doesn't follow. Kasi sa iba parang ayaw nila nung ganun eh. Di ba may mga couples na para kailangan ako mag-solo. Ako hindi. Okay lang ako na nasa bahay.
Yeah.
So I think yun din yung nakuha ng mga bata na gusto lang nila parati nasa bahay.
Yeah.
Hindi sila yung type na gusto mag-mall.
Yeah.
Yun, parang magkakasama pa rin. And may positive, maraming positive side yung ganun because very open sila. Kahit lumaki na sila, nalalaman namin yung mga issues nila. And napaprocess namin ng tama.
Yes.
So yun yung yun yung maganda naman doon. So me time siguro dati umiinom kami. Pero dahil may mga uric acid na. Masakit sa paa.
Medication na may pag-uusap.
Medyo may maintenance. Maintenance.
May cocktail ako na.
Dati umiinom kami, pero ngayon hindi na nga. Oo, no? Wala na.
Di masyado ngayon.
Parang ako tubig nga lang.
Sige, so let's wrap up. How do you still choose to be together? How do you still choose to be with each other? Kasi ang dami na, you have your career, you have your kids. Do you have a ritual na parang everyday it's a decision to choose each other? Do you have mga ganung mantras or ganung mga thinking?
As a family, no, siguro, we travel a lot. Parang we like traveling.
Yeah,
So,
yes. I like
so
that.
our siguro family time is yun na nga, traveling. If we're not home, we're usually out.
Yeah.
We like being outdoors, I guess.
Outdoors, camping nga tayo.
Camping. Hindi out, parang adventure, parang, let's try new things rin.
Yes.
Parang ganon. But choosing each other is not a question because we're really together. Kumbaga, parang, ako for me siguro kung may Jiggy, may Marnie.
Yes.
Kung may Marnie, may Jiggy. Parang gano'n, no?
I love that.
But of course, we stand very independently also. Kumbaga, Jiggy is Jiggy, Marnie is Marnie. But there's no Marnie without a Jiggy. And parang that's what I feel. Tama ba?
Hindi kaya ako natawa. Hindi kasi ako, halimbawa, parang bibilang siya ng taon. 18 years na tayo, huwag ka magbilang. Hayaan mo lang dumami ng dumami. Tapos nagagalit siya. Parang short of saying na, parang let's enjoy hanggang kung saan tayo makakaabot. Ayoko magbilang kasi dati kasi nung maliit ako, parang naglalaro ako ng baraha. Pag susugal ako, pag binibilang ko yung taya, nauubos.
Kasi conscious kayo.
Ayoko magbilang. Paramihin lang natin siya. Paramihin lang natin.
Ako
Sige.
siguro, we've grown. Kasi ayaw niya magbilang. Pero magbibilang ako. Okay. More than 2 decades, gano'n na lang, of being together. And I think we've grown in faith and love. And that's the greatest blessing. So, yun nga, of course, Jiggy Manigat is Jiggy Manigat, Marnie Manigat is Marnie Manigat. But we are Jiggy and Marnie because we have God
Yeah.
at the center of this marriage.
Yun
and-
ang pinaka-important.
And it works.
And it works.
It works.
And we're witness to that.
Yun ang pinaka-important doon. And sorry, madagdag ko lang na, for example, yung dati nga, yung work ko, pag nagsusulat ako, outline, interview, lahat iisipin ko. Ngayon ang inuuna ko mag-pray. Because napatunayan ko at nakita ko na ang pinaka-important talaga is si God. Sa lahat ng gagawin mo, relationship,
Yes.
work, kung ano man, clients, stories. Kasi very generous din siya magbigay talaga eh. Unending talaga siyang
Yeah.
magbigay.
True.
You'd feel yung confidence, kahit di ka confident, kahit wala kang pera sa bulsa na nangyayari sa akin yun. Confident ka.
Yes.
Makakauwi ka ng bahay.
Yes!
Diba? Ganun siya.
Oo. There's a certainty.
Yes.
Na hindi ka
Certainty.
pababayaan.
There's a confidence.
Klaro siya. Klarong-klaro. So, lahat, maliit, malaking bagay, yun yung ina-apply namin pareho. So, ako yun talaga. Parang, yun talaga na-prove namin na pag nando si Lord sa gitna,
Yes.
lahat,
True.
lahat yan. May sagot na yan.
Yeah.
So,
Kaya dapat, una parati si Lord.
Yes.
tama.
Yeah, he has to be number one. You know, syempre we have our family, we have our career, but why do we do all of these things? Because our life should always be an offering to the Lord.
Yes, yeah.
Number one. So, I feel, ako nga, sabi ko, I'm not only blessed, not only secured, but I am confident, kabugera,
Yes.
because I am a child of God.
Ang
Yes.
Diba? Oh.
And we're
Wala na. Yun na yung final. Parang isip ko, maghingi pa ba ako ng mga final
Wag
words?
na,
Pero
yun na
parang
yun.
pinaka-powerful na take away natin for today. So, oh my God, thank you so much.
Thank you.
We appreciate the abundance
we are,
of wisdom.
yeah, and we're learning from this. Na parang grabe to si Jiggy kung makabuke kayo na parang first date. I love this love. I love this love.
Tsaka halimbawa, isa-surprise mo siya. Gusto niya malaman yung surprise. Mag-aaway talaga kayo. Hindi mo pwede, walang surprise. Hindi na magagalit. May surprise, hintayin mo lang. Alam na niya may surprise. Ganun siya.
Ang galing. Ang galing. Thank you guys.
Thank you. God bless you guys.
Thank you so much. So this ends our Cabogera Stories episode on identity, partnership, and the balancing act of being together but also not losing yourself. So thank you.
Yes, so proud of you guys.
If something in this episode felt familiar, good. It means you're remembering. You are a Kabugera. See you in the next episode.
Ang tunay kong ganda sa lahat.